In prime time news tonight, lights out. We explore the impact of last night's power outage on critical sectors. No end in sight. Impasse between JPS and employees deepens. Shooting incident at Cornwall Regional leaves staff shaken.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, Jamaica has been selected to host the next Regional Hospitality Development Summit. It's called CHICOS. This is expected to attract hundreds of visitors, among other benefits. I'll tell you all about it in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports with Spencer Darlington.
Well, Archie, there's another case of alleged child abuse involving a physical education teacher. Guess what? The Office of the Children's Advocate has gotten involved. We'll tell you more later.
All right, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, how were you affected by the recent JPS power outage?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.